Hi there, gardeners. This is Master Gardener Steve. Welcome to the Ground Up, where we uncover the secrets behind every layer in the Ground Up system in your garden. Today we're talking about something you can't see, but it's working harder than any gardener out there. Meet the bioactivity layer, the invisible force that powers your entire garden ecosystem. Think of bioactivity as the pulse of your garden. It's not confined to one spot. Instead, it's everywhere, from the bedrock deep below to the air high above. This layer is alive with organisms working together, flowing from one layer to the next, transforming organic material into life-sustaining energy. Let's start at the bottom, the bedrock. It might seem like an immovable giant, but slowly it releases essential minerals that enrich the soil. These nutrients feed the microbes above and kickstart the bioactivity process. From here, life flows upward, fueling the soil layer. Moving up to that soil layer, this is the Bioactivity Hotspot. Microbes, bacteria, and fungi break down organic matter, turning yesterday's leaves into tomorrow's nutrients. Earthworms create tiny highways for air and water to flow. These nutrients and water then move upward, feeding the plants in the layers above. The surface layer, your mulch, isn't just for show. It's a buffet for decomposers like fungi and insects. As they break down organic material, nutrients flow downwards into the soil and upwards into the plants. This cycle keeps the bioactivity layer moving, bridging the soil and the green layer. Above ground, the green layer is where the plants harness sunlight and turn it into energy. But the bioactivity doesn't stop there. Plants release sugars through their roots to feed soil microbes, while beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings keep pests in check. It's a perfect example of how life in one layer supports the next. And finally, the air layer. Pollinators like bees, butterflies, and birds transport pollen, ensuring plant reproduction. Microbial life in the air interacts with plant leaves, boosting their health. Nutrients released into the air flow back into the green layer through photosynthesis, and the cycle is complete. Want to supercharge your garden's bioactivity? Start by encouraging pollinators. Plant a variety of flowering plants that bloom at different times of the year to provide constant and consistent food. Add features like bee hotels, water sources, and hedgerows to create a welcoming habitat. These pollinators keep bioactivity flowing by helping plants reproduce and ensuring the cycle continues. The beauty of bioactivity is its interconnectedness. Nutrients flow back to the bedrock, to the soil, from the soil to the surface, from the surface to the green layer, and finally to the air. It's a constant conversation between layers, each one supporting the next. Supporting bioactivity layer is easy. Add compost to feed the soil, use natural mulches to fuel surface decomposers, reduce chemical use to protect the tiny organisms working hard in every layer, and don't forget to foster pollinators to keep the cycle moving. From the ground up, bioactivity is that force that makes your garden thrive. By nurturing this vital layer, you're not just gardening, you're cultivating a thriving ecosystem. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and insights on the ground up.